Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
Wild ride. So I'm hanging out packing bags for a coworker, anything to get out of doing real work, when the customer points at the screen and abruptly says, "That's wrong." I replied, "Oh, sorry. What's wrong?" "The salad tubs. They should be 2 for $7. So I go and check out the deli again, realize that she's got one classic tub, which is $4, and one gourmet tub, which is $5. The special is only for the classic tubs. The sign very clearly states that under the classic heading. There's no mention of any special under the gourmet heading. I grab the sign and head back over to the register, and I said, "Sorry, look, you grabbed one of each. It's only the classic tubs that are on sale. Would you like me to get you another classic tub?" The woman then says, "That's wrong. That's false advertising. If it's written on the sign, it means all of them." I told her, "Well, sorry, that's not how it works." She then says, "You have to give it to me for $7. Your attitude is appalling." My coworker chimes in and says, "I can't mark stuff down without asking the night manager." She said, "Call him down here now." So I call him, he's busy, and ask what's going on. I explain, and he says, "Give it to her for $7. What? No. I can't believe this is happening to me. I take a deep breath, turn around, and smile and said, "Well, I've spoken to him, and he says today we'll reduce that price for you." She says, "It isn't reducing the price, it's giving me what I'm entitled to." My coworker changes the prices. She slams her card into the machine. Transaction doesn't process because she's putting in the wrong pin. Coworker says, "Sorry, you put in the wrong pin. Can you please try that again?" She's screaming at this point and says, "Stop sabotaging my finances. What's your name?" Coworker responds, "Mark," and she says, "Mark,